Bingo.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that's important, how IT skills can be used to help others. Technology is everywhere in our lives, and sometimes even small issues like slow computer, like printers, all of these devices, they won't connect to a Wi-Fi, or they could cause a lot of frustration. If you have any knowledge on how to solve these problems, you're in the greatest position to make someone's day a lot more easier. So think of it like this. When a family member or a colleague struggles with the password reset or doesn't understand how to avoid phishing emails that might feel overwhelming to them, but if they step in and guide them through the process, you're not only solving the problem, but you're protecting them from the bigger issue in the future. That's the true value of IT. Using your knowledge to provide solutions to create a peaceful mind frame for others. And then you could also make things even better by leaving a great impact on teaching others how to use their tools that could help them in the long term. For example, showing a small business how to back up their files or explaining cloud storage so they don't lose their important documents or photos. These are skills that empower people to be more independent and help them be secure. Helping someone understand technology is often more valuable than just fixing the problem once. So, as for me, I am encouraging you today to share what you know, everything you could do to help someone. And just being an IT person is not just about fixing the technical issue. You're giving them confidence, knowledge, and the willpower that will make it last. Whether it's showing a coworker the faster way to use Excel or teaching a friend how to keep their devices safe, these small efforts can make a big difference. If this message resonates with you, please like and share. Of course, subscribe for more tips on using IT skills to make a positive impact